Good morning, dear students. I will start chapter 16. Name of the chapter 16 is the light. And today we will discuss about human eye. Human eye. I will draw the diagram of human eye, structure of the eye. I will draw the diagram of human eye, structure of eye. Is the pictures humor?
अच्छा मैं कभी क्लास में गया था तो पूजा पाठ तो करता
And this is the crystalline lens. Crystalline lens. This is a crystalline lens. And sclera. Choroid. Retina. Yellow spot. And here is the blind spot, cornea, this is the iris, the cornea, iris, pupil, aqueous, human, ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles. So this is the eye is the most important sense organ, and it is important to understand its structure and working. And human eye is almost spherical in its shape. You can see in the diagram it is spherical in shape, and it is spherical in shape. And first one is the sclera. This here you can see that first structure is the sclera, and sclera, it is the outermost covering. You can see in the diagram it is the outermost covering of the eyeball, and it is made of white tough fibrous tissue, and its function is to house and protect the vital internal parts of the eye. Second one is the cornea. Here cornea, it is the front bulging part of the eye, and it is made of transparent tissue, and its function is to act as a window to the world, and it is allowed to light to enter the eyeball. Second one is the cornea, and cornea, it is a front bulging part of the eye, and it is made of transparent tissue. And what is its function? Its function is act a window to the world to allow the light to enter the eyeball. Third one is the choroid. Here you can see in the diagram choroid, and it is the grey membrane attached to the sclera from the inner side. Its function is to darken the eye from inside and thus prevent any internal reflection. Optic nerve. This is the optic nerve. This is the optic nerve. Optic nerve, it is a bundle of approximately 70,000 nerves originating from the brain and entering the eyeball from behind. Its function is to carry optical messages, visual messages to the brain. Retina. Next one is the retina. You can see in the diagram. Retina, this part is the retina, and it is optic nerve. On entering, the ball spreads like a canopy, such that each nerve attaches itself to the choroid. Each nerve of this attached to the choroid. You can see that here each nerve is attached to the choroid, and the nerve endings form a hemispherical screen called the retina, and the nerve endings on the retina are sensitive to the visible light. And on the retina, we will discuss separately. The function of retina is to receive the optical image of the object and then convert it to the electrical pulses, and these impulses are then sent to the brain through the optic nerve. And the nerve endings or the nerve cells constituting retina are of two kinds, that is the rod shaped and cone shaped. Rod shaped nerves are sensitive, and sensitive to bright light as well as primary colors red, blue and green. That is the RBG. They do not get excited to dim light. And rod shape, nerve ending are sensitive to the dim light but not the color. And the objects which we perceive as black and white or color are due to the excitation of cones and rod in different patterns. Yellow spot. Here you can see that yellow spot. It is a semi area, it is a small area facing the eyelids, and it has a high concentration of nerve ending and is slightly raised as well as yellow in color. And what is its function? Its function to form a very clear image by sending a large number of electrical pulses to the brain. And second one is the blind spot. Here you can see that blind spot. It is the region of the retina where the optic nerve enters. In this you can see that optic nerve enters here. This is the point of entering, and here you can see that it is point of entering, and what it does not seems to have any function. Any image formed on this spot is not visible. Next one is the crystalline lens. Crystalline lens, here you can see that crystalline lens. It is a double convex lens and it is made of transparent tissue and it is held called ciliary muscles. And what is its function? Its function of focus the image of different objects clearly on the retina. Ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles, here you can see that ciliary muscles. Ciliary muscles, it is the ring of muscles and which holds the crystalline lens in position. When these muscles relax, they increases the focal length of the crystalline lens and vice versa. And what is its function? Its function is to after the focal length of crystalline lens so that the images of the objects situated at different distances are clearly focused on the retina. Iris. Next one is the iris. Next one is the iris. Here you can see that this is the iris. In the diagram it is clearly visible, iris, and it is a circular diaphragm suspended in front of the crystalline lens, and it is a tiny hole in the middle and commonly called the pupil. You can see that here pupil, and it has tiny muscles arranged rapidly around the pupil, and these muscles can increase or decrease the diameter of the pupil, and the iris is heavily pigmented. The color of the eye depends upon the color of the pigment, and the function of iris is to control the amount of light entering the eye, and this is done by increasing or decreasing the diameter of the pupil. Now vitreous humor. Vitreous humor. Here you can see it is a densely jelly like fluid, slightly gray in color and filling the part of eye between crystalline lens and retina. What is its function? Its function is to prevent the eyeball from collapsing due to change in the atmospheric pressure and focusing the rays clearly on the retina. Aqueous humor. It is a watery saline fluid filling the part of the eye between the cornea and the crystalline lens, and its function is to prevent front part of the eyeball from the collapsing with its atmospheric pressure and to keep the cornea moist. And eyelids. Nature has provided each eye with two eyelids. Last one is the eyelids. Nature has provided each eye with two eyelids, and they prevent any object such as dust, straw from entering the eye. Eyelids shut out light when you do not want to see. So this structure is about human eye, and you will take revision of this.